Analysis and Approaches, Paper 1, Timezone 1, HL, November 2025, Question 3. In this question, he is asking us to solve two different equations. One is a straight line and the other one is a parabola. He says that the equation of the lines intersects the axis at the point P and then at a point Q, which is here and there. There is also a parabola and which is passing through the same points as shown in the diagram. Write down the value for C. Okay, a very simple question. I know that the parabola is passing through the point P, which is 0, 9. That would basically mean that 9 is equal to A into 0 square plus C. That gives me the value for C as equal to 9 directly. Now for finding the value for A, I'm going to use the other coordinate that it's passing through. Now that I know that y is equal to ax squared plus 9, the equation is also passing through Q, which is 3, 0. So when I substitute that here, I'm going to have 0 as equal to a into 3 squared plus 9. So that gives me 9a plus 9. The moment I solve this one, I get the value for a is equal to 1. Negative 1 rather. So y is equal to minus x squared plus 9, which is true because the parabola is upside down. In that case, a has to be less than 0, and I did get a minus 1, so that's fine. Next, the region enclosed by the line and the parabola is shaded by the following diagram. I'm supposed to find the area of the shaded region. So to find the area of the shaded region, I'm going to be integrating from the origin, which is 0, to the point 3. The upper curve, which is the parabola, gives me the higher value, so I'm going to take the parabola first, which is minus x squared plus 9. Subtract the lower curve, which is the straight line, and that's a minus 3x plus 9. After integration, I'm going to be applying the limits. I'm going to quickly integrate that. In this question, obviously, the concept that we are using is that the integration of that is simply x to the power of n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. So and that's going to be the required area. A very simple question. Overall, it's for 7 marks. 1 mark is for directly finding the value for C. So you get a 1 mark here, which is A1. And then you have marks for substituting the value of 0, 3. So you get a method mark here. And then finally getting the value for A itself as negative 1. You're going to get an A1. So that's your complete 3 marks. And for the second part, which is 4 marks, first of all, subtracting the curves itself will give you a method mark, which is M1 over here. And after that, properly integrating the areas, which is to finally get this. You get a 1 mark for this. And that's your 2 marks. And then getting the area as in 9 by 2, that's another 1 mark for you. And for substitution itself, you get another 1 mark. So that's 1, 2, 3, and then your 1 mark, which is a method mark, altogether 4 mark. That's it for this video. Thank you. Goodbye.